Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the 8th chapter, that is word editing text. MS Word 2016 is one of the most popular word processing software. It is a word processor. It allows you to make a document or create a document with the help of both text and objects, with the help of which you can create a very eye-catching document. It helps you to create a professional document. So, in MS Word, we can create both professional and a very eye-catching documents. After that, we are going to start this chapter with just a revising of how we can open a document, how we can save a document, how we can create a new document, how we can exit from the document. Now, to start Word, first of all you have to go to your start button. After going to the start button, you have to find out the Word. It is made up of Microsoft company, made by the Microsoft company, so it will be Microsoft Word. So you will find it in M. Just search it out. If you are not able to find out here, you can also go to the search button and you can write down here Word. So we will find it out and open it. So Word will open up. It will look like this. Okay, this is the start screen. If you want to click, if you want to open new document, make a new document, you have to go to the blank document. This is defaultly it is selected. So after that, just click once and this is your new document. Okay, we have created a new document. Now suppose if you want to enter any text in your document, okay, you have to just, where your mouse is blinking, you can type your text here, like it is written all about. Okay, wherever is your cursor, you can start writing from there. The text appears at the cursor's position and the cursor shifts ahead as you type. If you want to save a document, first of all you have to go to File tab. Can you see this File tab? Click on the File tab. You will reach to the Backstage view. After that, click on the Save option. Here you can browse your Save as dialog box. Suppose you want to save in desktop, if you want to save in documents, wherever you want to save, you have to select it. Suppose you will save in the desktop, you can give the file name there with the help, suppose I will give you a book, okay, and click on save. You have to type it and after that click on save. Word saves your document. How you will get to know that your Word has saved the document? By here. See, I have given your file as book. Suppose the next topic is how you can open an existing document. If you want to open an existing document, what do you mean by existing document? मीन्स आपने जो पहले बनाया था, कभी पिछली क्लास में बनाया था, उसको सेव किया था, आपको वही डॉक्यूमेंट फिर से ओपन करना है, तो उसको बोलते हैं ओपनिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. आपको वही फाइल को फिर से ओपन करना है. देन अगेन यू हैव टू गो टू द फाइल टैब, दैट इज योर बैकस्टेज व्यू, एंड आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन ओपन. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन ओपन, यू हैव टू ब्राउज योर फाइल. कहाँ था आपका फाइल? सपोज आपने रिसेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स में सेव है या यहाँ पे है, कहीं नहीं है, कंप्यूटर में जाओ, डेस्कटॉप में है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स में है, wherever it is you have to find it. Suppose we have saved in the desktop. This is Microsoft Word 2016. हमारी पुरानी फाइल होगी. So I will open it and this is the existing document. Okay. Suppose you want to close this document and you want to go back to your book document. What you will do? Go to File and click on Close. Now see, our one file is closed, one file is opened. Okay, we have just to close only one file. We are this is what is closing the document. If you want to exit from the word, पूरे word से आपको बाहर जाना है, then you can use again close. अगर अब आप close use करोगे तो कितने documents open है? First tell me. सिर्फ एक ही document open है, that is book. And if you use this close, you will exit from the document. One more way is there. You can just use this. We are exited from the document. Okay, this is what is in the title bar. There is a close button. You can use that button to exit from the Word window. The next topic is editing a document. What do you mean by editing? Making changes to the text in a document is called editing. It involves adding text, deleting text, copying and moving text and checking spelling and grammatical mistakes in the text. So our last, we will open our last document what we were working on it. Okay. So we are working on this. In this we will do some editing. First of all, we will do inserting text. Inserting text means अगर हम इसमें कुछ भी ऐड करते हैं, लिखते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं हम insert कर रहे हैं क्या? Text. Suppose I want to write something before. Okay, where is my mouse pointer? Can you see this blinking line? It shows this is your mouse pointer. Wherever is your mouse pointer, you can write down the text there itself. So you have to place your cursor to the position where you want to insert the text. Suppose I want to insert the text in between these two lines. So this is full stop. I will put my mouse pointer here. Can you see my mouse pointer? Okay. Now there I will write. See. So I am inserting text, making changes to the text. Okay, and full stop. So I have inserted a line between two lines. Okay, wherever is your mouse pointer, you can insert the text there itself. Okay, then the next is selecting text. So we can select the text with using mouse or with using keyboard. So selecting using mouse, selecting text using mouse, I will tell you now. Suppose you want to select, I am using mouse now. Okay, this is my mouse pointer. First of all, if you want to select one word, suppose I want to select Microsoft, I will put my mouse pointer here and I will double click it. Can you see? I have double clicked and one word is selected. Double click. One word is selected. Suppose I want to select a block of text. Suppose I want to select this line from here to here. So what I will do, I will click and drag. I will not leave my click and I will drag it. This is how we select a block of text. Means click and drag. Up to where you want to select, you can do it. The next is if you want to select one sentence. Suppose you want to select one sentence, what you will do? Press the control key in your keyboard. Means आपको अब keyboard use करना पड़ेगा. Keyboard में control key है, उसको press करे रहो. Control key को मत छोड़ो. And then click a word in the sentence. Suppose see. Okay. अब उसको कैसे पता चलता है sentence कहाँ खत्म हुआ है? With the help of this full stop. Okay. Control key plus click in the sentence. The next is if you want to select one paragraph. पूरा एक paragraph आपको select करना है तो आप कैसे करोगे? Suppose यहाँ दो paragraph है. Okay, this is one paragraph and this is another paragraph. Okay, if you want to select one paragraph, what you will do? Triple click, मतलब 3 click एक ही paragraph में, तो वो पूरा paragraph आपको select हो जाएगा. Okay, triple click in a paragraph, your paragraph will be selected. So once again we will remember it. One more time I will just repeat it, listen carefully. If you want to select one word, click double in a word. If you want to select a block of text, click and drag. If you want to select one sentence, press Ctrl key and click in that particular sentence only once. If you want to select one paragraph, go inside the paragraph in anywhere and just triple click it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next is without selecting means without your mouse. When you select text through selection bar. Okay. Selection bar अब क्या होता है? Selection bar is the space between the left edge of the page and the left text margin. You can use the mouse to select text through selection bar. When you move the mouse to your selection bar, your mouse pointer changes to a pointing arrow. Can you see? When I take my mouse pointer, it changes to I sign, and when I take it this side, it changes to a arrow. Mouse pointer, it changes to a particular mouse pointer, so you can see the difference. Okay. जब margin, okay, जब left margin और left edge, ये left edge है और left margin होगा यहाँ. Okay, left your margin signs will be given. एक left margin होता है और ये left edge है. Edge मतलब end. उन दोनों के बीच का थोड़ा सा पार्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Selection bar. And with the help of selection bar also you can select the text. How you can select the text? There are also one, suppose if you want to select a line, suppose तुमको ये line चाहिए, यहाँ click करो. Okay, ये line चाहिए, यहाँ click करो. या ये line चाहिए, यहाँ click करो. Okay, to select a text, line of text. This is not a sentence. Okay, suppose ये sentence नहीं है, तभी वो पूरी line select होगी. Line select हो रही है, sentence नहीं. If you want to select a paragraph, just double click in the selection bar. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Double click in the selection bar. If you want to select multiple lines, you have to click and drag. Okay, see, these are not sentences. If you want to select multiple lines, click and drag. Don't remove your finger from your click point. Okay, just click and drag. Multiple lines you can select it. Next is if you want to select the entire document. Suppose, wait. कितने पेजेस हो गए? हमारे पास 4 पेज हो गए. ओके, कैन यू सी? वेट, मल्टीपल पेजेस. कैन यू सी? Okay, we have 4 pages now. So if you want to select the entire document, मतलब पूरा document आपको एक साथ select करना है, तो आप selection bar में जाइए और उसमें triple click करिए. Okay, see, everything is selected in the whole document. So if you want to select the whole document, triple click in the selection bar. Now we will repeat it again. If you want to select a line, just click once at the side of the line. That particular line will be selected. If you want to select a paragraph, double click in front of that paragraph. That full paragraph will be selected. If you want to select multiple lines, click and drag. Don't leave your click and start dragging. These are multiple lines. If you want to select the entire worksheet, 1, 2, 3. 3 clicks and the entire worksheet will be selected. The next is selecting text using a keyboard. You can use a keyboard to select text in your document. There are some key combinations to select various parts of your text from the current cursor positions in the document. If you want to select, you can use the different combinations of the keys in your computers from your keyboard. So, first of all, what you can do, if you want to select a character, okay, from the left side, wait, okay, suppose if you want to select, if your mouse pointer is here, if you want to select in the left side, press the shift key, okay, shift key को दबाए रहो और you know ना arrow keys, left right up and down, that you have to press. अगर left चाहिए left arrow key को press करो, अगर right चाहिए right arrow key को press करो, अगर ऊपर में चाहिए ऊपर up arrow key, अगर नीचे चाहिए down arrow key. Okay, so this is the combination of up, down, left and right arrow keys for first left character, for the right character, for the up line, for the down line. Okay, then the next one is till the end of current line. Suppose आपको मैंने यहाँ रखा है माउस पॉइंटर, okay, मुझे इसके बाद का पूरा लाइन सेलेक्ट करना है. Okay, so what you have to do, press the shift key and in your keyboard there is end key. Okay, arrow key के just ऊपर एक end key होगा. Okay, this is the when you want to select the line to the end of the line, not sentence. Okay, suppose आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैंने sentence select किया, sentence का end, no. Suppose मैं माउस पॉइंटर यहाँ रखती हूँ, मैंने शिफ्ट की प्रेस की और एंड, कैन यू सी? ओके, वो सेंटेंस के एंड पे नहीं गया, वो आपके लाइन के एंड पे गया. नेक्स्ट इज इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दैट, द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दैट करंट लाइन, मतलब इस यहाँ तक सेलेक्ट करना है आपको. सो अगेन शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करो और होम दबाओ. जस्ट एंड के ऊपर एक होम होगा, होम में दबाओगे तो आपका स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द लाइन सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. If you want to select the till the end of the document, मतलब मैंने यहाँ रखा है अपना माउस पॉइंटर, सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे रखा है, अब यहाँ से पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट मुझे सेलेक्ट करना है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट द होल डॉक्यूमेंट वेयर योर माउस पॉइंटर इज kept. Okay, my mouse pointer is here, I want to select the whole document up to the down, so you have to press shift plus control plus end. देखो, okay, multiple pages, see, I've kept my mouse pointer here and to the end it is selected. Same thing you have to do, put your mouse pointer here and shift plus control plus home. Shift plus control plus home when you click from your starting point, मतलब आपने जहाँ माउस पॉइंटर रखा है वहाँ से पूरा ऊपर तक पूरा सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट द एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट, अगर आपको पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट एक साथ सेलेक्ट करना है तो just put your mouse pointer wherever you want in the document and control plus A. The whole document will be selected. So we will repeat it once again. If you want to select the left character, right character, up line and down line, you have to use the shift plus arrow keys. If you want to select the end of the current line or the beginning of the current line, you have to use shift plus end key or home key. Like that, if you want to select the till the end of the document and starting of the document, at that time you have to press shift plus control plus end or home key. And to select the entire document, you have to select control plus A. The next topic, that is deleting text, undo redo commands, copying and moving text, checking spelling and grammar, thesaurus, we will do it in the next class. So be prepared for the next class. Thank you.